Please clue.
No.
Please clue.
Susie. No, I'm not Susie.
Clue. One clue.
No.
First letter.
No, that's not my name. No.
First letter. Last letter. Please. First and last letter.
T.
Yes. T. First.
Huh? T.
Tells me. Tusi.
Tusi. No, my name is not Tusi.
Nandus.
No.
Last.
Huh?
Last word. Last letter.
A.
Tessa.
How?
Tessa.
That was so close. That's very close. My name is from Slovenia. My name is from Slovenia, so you don't know my name. And it's Tjaša. Tjaša. Yes, Tjaša. Tjaša. Yes.
Nice name.
Thank you.
Nice to meet you.
You're from a school?
Yes.
Nice.
And you enjoy this Kovalam beach?
Yes. And it's sunset time.
Yes, sunset. Only
Sunset is very beautiful.
Only you?
Yes, it's only me. Do you see someone else?
You come, only you.
Yeah, only me.
No friends? No friends?
I have friends, yes.
Where is the friends?
At the hotel.
Hotel.
Yes.
Which day you coming?
Huh?
Which day you coming?
1 month ago.
1 month.
1 month ago.
Which you stay?
Huh?
Stay.
I stay a little bit longer. A few more days.
Oh. What about you?
Huh?
What about you?
What?
About you.
What about me?
Afternoon?
What?
Hello. You will come Malappuram? Yeah.
I'm not sure.
Malappuram.
Is it beautiful?
Yes, very beautiful place.
Oh, then I must come.
Yes. She is very beautiful and kind. Beauty. And very cute.
Pretty.
Yeah.
Okay. I will come.
Yes. So bye.
Bye.
Nice to meet you.
Nice meeting you. Bye.